people. Mirzapur and Taza Khabar mere liye were like doing commercial films because that is where
they're shot at that scale also.
They're shot at that scale and audience का connect हो रहा है.
Yes.
Whereas A Guilty Minds, Broken News, they've reached people, but they've reached different sects of. I don't want to be a trend that comes and goes. मैं किसी चीज को ना extremes में नहीं देखती, क्या है क्या नहीं है. I feel क्या बेहतर हुआ है और क्या बेहतर हो सकता है. गुस्सा आया, feel it. Happy, feel it. Get out of this bubble of just being an actor. You have to live life in a more holistic way. Being an actor is not just about your skill set in front of the camera. It's more to do also with how you're building yourself off camera. Because to last in this showbiz, it's talent, luck, opportunity. It's all. It's not just talent.
Hello, and back at Cinevestry International Film Festival with a very beautiful lady by my side, Shreya Pilgaonkar. And just to jog everyone's memory, jog करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You have loved her in Mirzapur, in Taza Khabar. I have in Guilty Minds, which she says कि second season greenlit नहीं हो रहा. But Broken News was beautiful.
Thank you.
And we've also seen her in short films. You haven't, but you should catch her in short films.
Sita is one that I'm proud of.
And she made her debut as Shah Rukh Khan's love interest in Fan, which she says कि ज़्यादा PR नहीं करी उसके बारे में. क्यों नहीं करी श्रेया? Welcome.
नहीं, but thank you so much for having me. I think मेरे लिए जरूरी था that my work first speaks for itself, and it's important to also understand and have a bird's eye view कि क्या project है, आपका role क्या है. I don't believe that बिना मतलब का hype करके कुछ होता है. So I wanted it to happen organically, and in fact I got more love and more PR out of it जब मैंने वो organically होने दिया.
But you have such illustrious parents, Sachin and Supriya Pilgaonkar, and they came with a huge legacy of their own.
Yes.
So was there like a burden and responsibility, and was there some कि यार ये भी nepo kid है?
You know, actually the thing is
Did they make it easy for you?
Even if they wanted to, I think in this industry, you can't make things easy for anybody because everyone's path is going to be different. You cannot fix what lessons you have to learn. You are going to have to learn them yourself. But the best part is, I think that my parents have emotionally really grounded me and have given me that understanding of what you need in showbiz to be consistent. Because lambi race ka ghoda banna hai.
Yes.
You know, you don't want just 5 hit shows or 10 years of work. I want to work all my life. So I think the most important thing is that this perspective that I get from my family, that is a privilege.
Yes.
I will say. Yes, my first Marathi film was with Papa. But eventually, I think the audience knew me more for the work I did. And in fact, some people, especially who are not from Maharashtra, they find out much later that, oh, you're Sachin Supriya's daughter. That's also a compliment for me because my work has reached them first.
So, it's very interesting for someone who grew up thinking कि मैं linguist बनूंगी and you learned Japanese. Then you learned Kathak. So, as a child, what all did you want to do and how did it streamline into being an independent actor?
You know, the best part about being an actor is कि कोई भी skill waste नहीं जाता. And growing up, I was encouraged to explore. तो मुझे एक astronaut भी बनना था. मुझे science भी पसंद था. I love languages as well.
You learned Japanese.
I had learned basic Japanese in school. तो बचपन में, I think I was just interested in various things. And I'm a sociology graduate from St. Xavier.
Okay.
Kathak is something that I think truly somewhere helped me bring out the actor in me because Abhinay is a very important part of Kathak.
Yes.
But I will still say that even with my years of being a competitive swimmer, today the discipline of a sportsman, the mindset of a sportsman is what I use in my profession today. So I would say that no skill goes to waste and sometimes it's also the calling of that profession. I will say that just because मेरे parents इस field में थे, मैं उस reason से मुझे नहीं आना था. जब organically मैंने discover किया, मैंने बहुत सारा theatre किया, तो step by step मेरी journey रही है. ना कि मैं पहले से assume कर दूं कि मुझे ये करना चाहिए. तो ये pressure थी.
Did you get more love on OTT क्योंकि जो ये series मैंने बोली and you've done intense characters, you've done a diverse range of characters. And अब journalists आज आपसे सारे सवाल कर रहे हैं. How does it feel on the other side and how do you choose your roles? मतलब this diversity, is it become your second nature? कि I am not one of the mainstream actors. I am one of the actors that I want to be.
So I don't look at it like that. I feel it's very important for me to do work that's balanced. And by that I mean that I want to do films and series both. Sometimes the projects you want to do don't come by easily. So for me, I want to make best with what is coming my way. And the parts I have got in the OTT space have really helped me show my skill. Because at the end of it, actor को क्या करना है? अपनी skill दिखानी है, अपनी capability दिखानी है. Right now my focus is to reimagine myself. I want to do different genres. I want to do more film work. And I also want to do work which is also more accessible. Matlab, for example, Mirzapur and Taza Khabar mere liye were like doing commercial films because that is where
They're shot at that scale also.
they're shot at that scale and audience ka connect ho raha hai.
Yes.
Whereas A Guilty Minds, Broken News, they've reached people, but they've reached different sects of people.
Yes.
So at the end of the day, for me, it's the story. वो कहानी बहुत important.
तो गिल्टी माइंड्स नया सेकंड सीजन नहीं आएगा.
Unfortunately, अब तक तो नहीं लग रहा है और ये भी हमारे हाथ नहीं है. बुरा लगता है, but हमारे हाथ में नहीं है.
There was a very interesting session on independent cinema. Do you call yourself an indie actor? Do you feel कि there are a lot of struggles as an actor? जैसे harsh lights है, आपको जगह जगह का पानी भी पीना है, उस तरह से तैयार भी होना है. How strong is your immunity?
It's very strong. पानी पूरी खा खा के मुंबई ची मुलगी हूँ मैं, so obviously immunity तो strong है. But for me, I don't like put labels before calling myself an actor. I'm an actor. I want to do mainstream work. I want to do independent work. I want to use my mainstream work to also support independent work. That's also very good.
You're writing and directing also?
I'm not directing right now, but I am writing. I aspire to also make films. But right now, I'm in a stage of wanting to learn as much as I can.
So do you have like now a PR agency for image building? Because वो होता है ना कि you want to be like a, or do you ever want to be like a Kareena or a Karishma, or you want to be like, everybody should know me as Shreya
I want
Filgaonkar?
to be a Shreya, and I feel like the definition of star today is very wide. A star is not just a star that's not accessible. You know, today a star is somebody who you can also really relate to. And for me, I want to be able to create a path with my work. And yes, of course, we have our PR agencies, we have all of that. But along with creative perceptions and image building, for me, it's important that my work is equally strong.
Reels, not roles.
And both.
Not reels, roles.
I had said that. And
Yes.
for me, it's also really important to be able to create, not just be a trend. I don't want to be a trend that comes and goes. I want to
So
stay
in
on.
this, do you still think that Mumbai or the cinema is a male-dominated space? We hear about so many cases, like this lady also discussed in the session about being sidelined, about being harassed.
Yeah.
Do you think हम अभी भी उससे को battle कर रहे हैं कि there have to be more female voices? Like
Well-
now you said na कि we can enter rooms where we were not there before,
Yeah.
and we can champion stories that we want to tell, or storytellers we want to push.
Yeah.
So you feel that women or strong women voices are also rising?
100%. And I think that not just in the film industry, in various facets of the world, I think you do see more inclusivity. You do see women in stronger positions of power. In fact, most of the content heads today are women.
Yes, I think Mirzapur सारा आखी women की तरफ है.
Absolutely. वो, you know, it's that. So I feel कि ever evolving है. And मैं किसी चीज को ना एक्सट्रीम्स में नहीं देखती, क्या है क्या नहीं है. I feel क्या बेहतर हुआ है और क्या बेहतर हो सकता है.
So you don't take success, failure to heart too much?
I do, but I have to have a balanced approach to it. You know, I'm human at the end of the day. And you know, as actors, I let myself feel everything. Gussa, feel it. Happy, feel it. I don't stop myself from feeling different things. But I always feel like you need to understand and also get out of this bubble of just being an actor. You have to live life in a more holistic way. And it's not failure, it's something to learn from.
So, and how do you handle toxic situations if you're caught in one? जैसे सेट सारे इतने amicable and malleable नहीं होते. सारे actors, co-actors and workers आपके साथ नहीं होते.
You have to be smart about it, and you also have to realize कि आपको कब, कहाँ, कैसे, किससे बात करनी है. And you have to really understand it's not about immediate reaction, but it's about being smart कि मैं क्यों क्या कहना चाह रही हूँ, किससे कहना चाह रही हूँ. And sometimes it's not easy, but you have to find a way to be emotionally strong. And I think people don't talk about how being an actor is not just about your skill set in front of the camera. It's more to do also with how you're building yourself off camera. Because to last in this showbiz, it's talent, luck, opportunity. It's all. It's not just talent.
And we are going to see you in Mandala Murders now?
Can't comment on that.
Can't comment on that.
Sorry.
ठीक है.
But I'm also doing independent films.
Okay.
I'm excited. My focus is to do different genres. So you'll be watching me in different avatars.
So finally, one last question. You are the new wave now. You're the new generation where actors are not being pitched as stars. They are being pitched as actors with a body of work. There is a certain sense of structure that is coming.
Because stardom is a byproduct.
Yes,
Yeah.
and आप लोग ये भी डिस्कस कर रहे हो कि जो पूरी टीम है उसका भी एक सेफ्टी नेट होना चाहिए, उनकी वर्किंग कंडीशंस अच्छी होनी चाहिए. You are taking issues along with you.
Yeah.
Is that true? How important is it that this actor, this new generation also talks about the entire process and the structure of filmmaking?
Well, I don't want
Include
to
everybody in it.
I don't want to comment on what people should do or not do. I'll say what comes naturally
Yes.
to me. And I think I enjoy a working experience where it's not just about selfishly my work, my part, because it's firefighting. It's like a human body working on a film. Every part has to be healthy and functioning well. So I do believe that you have to watch out for each other because that energy is what makes that project. So I believe that at a human level, एक दूसरे का ख्याल रखना बहुत जरूरी है.
ठीक है. On that note, let's look after each other and make this place a better working place for everyone. Thank you, Shreya, to be on our show. That's all from Just Talking. Please do like and subscribe.
Yes, like and subscribe.
Thanks. Okay.